Hi biomates, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, the last video's feature comments are here. Okay, so today I'm going to share my top 5 favorite YouTube settings which I use more often and would love to share with you. Tell me in the comment section below which one is your favorite. So let's get started. Go to your channel setting for this setting, and in your channel setting you just have to go to your privacy section and turn off keep all my subscriptions private, and in this way whenever I will be conducting any giveaway or surprising gifts for my subscribers, you will be automatically eligible if you have already subscribed. So yeah, do check this button guys, it will be very helpful for you. Next is incognito mode, which will be helpful whenever you are using somebody else's phone, your father, your brother or your friend. So this will not save anything which you browse on YouTube in your history. So don't bother about the history, just use incognito mode. Take a break is helpful for those who are students or anyone who used to binge watch YouTube. So just save a timer. After the timer, YouTube will definitely inform you that your 2 hours or 1 hour timer is over and take a break. So do check this setting guys and hit the like button. Now quality mode, whenever you are on low data you just go to low quality mode and watch your videos, and when you have sufficient data just click on the three dots again and go to high quality for a better experience of your video. Speed one is my favorite. Whenever you are not catching words of any video, just go to the playback speed and there you can reduce the speed of the video. Above the normal you just have low speed setting, and below normal in the playback speed you have high speed, so you can adjust the speed of the video according to your preference. So hit like guys for this setting. And dark mode is helpful in night time. This mode gives reduces any strain on your eyes and also saves your battery life, phone's battery. So yeah, do check this mode also guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And this is it for today's video. Keep following your